Good morning, my YouTube friends. Did you say, tell me you live in Kentucky without telling me you live in Kentucky? Well, we just came through a week of long pants, flannel shirts, hoodies, sock toboggan, gloves, out working. Today, t-shirt, shorts. Yep, I live in Kentucky. We gotta go push some dirt. I don't have to, just wanted to, for a couple reasons. Out there at the job site that you've seen in the last video where I've been working, I dug the water line ditch and I didn't get to cover it up. Some things happened and I didn't get to cover it up. And my grandkids are there, 2-year-old and a 6-year-old, I believe that is their ages, and they're pretty rambunctious. And the line's up close to the house and I just don't like them out in the backyard with that 2.5-foot ditch open, and so I'm going to go close it up today. Another reason I'm doing it is Toby Keith said, I love this bar, but I love this tractor. I am just really enjoying it. And one reason that I'm making some videos about it is when I was going to purchase this tractor and had already purchased it and waiting for it to come in, I was trying to look at videos and there just wasn't really any videos much of the tractor really working. And so I'm making some videos about it. I am going to make a video of things that I like, things that I think could use a little attention, upgrading. That's coming at a later date. We'll get to that. I'll show you something cool about this truck because this is something else I really like. It's this Ford truck. Just everyday running around, whatnot. You know, it'll run blue. It runs cool. But let me show you what happens when we throw that tractor up on its back. Tractor strapped down and look at here, turn red. Thing's ready to do some pulling. I'm on the job site. This is the storm shelter the other day that I was showing you I was digging. So they're gonna rebarb this real thick across the top and then pour a concrete lid. There'll be a little door and steps right over there. So in this garage, this concrete floor, he's going to have a place to wash his cars, so that's why it's got water in it. So this is the water line that I dug, goes around there, goes around the house to the main place. And so their kids play out back here some, and you can see the depth of it, 2.5 feet. We had to come up over some rocks right there. This place is really rocky, but there's going to be I don't know how many inches of gravel is going to be on top of this and then a concrete pad. So there's no chance of it freezing, but I need to just push this hole in so these kids don't fall in it out here playing around. Even though it is a Saturday and I don't normally like working Saturdays, I thought I'd just get out here and play around myself. Rocks. It's a rocky area. Boy, we ain't had any rain in a while, and it is dusty. This is going to be a swimming pool down in this area where the camera's sitting. So that's why you see all the piles of dirt. We're going to build this area up. So I've been going back here in the field and digging dirt back there and bringing it up here. In between digging for people when I would be in, like when I was digging for the Amish or digging for the plumber that was out here plumbing. This will be a pretty good push. Probably won't get all of it. Came in the back of their field to dig some more dirt for that pool area where we got to build it up, but for some reason my audio quit and I didn't know it, so I'm not going to show much of it. But I just will say that I'm really, as I've already said in the beginning of this video, enjoying this tractor. Just a lot of fun. I enjoy equipment so much and just really enjoy this Kubota. The backhoe is just really smooth. It's got a lot of power. I'm really glad I got the hydraulic thumb on it because I've used that a lot on this job. Moving things, digging up stumps and moving them. We had to tear part of the footer out, and so I was able to just grab it with that thumb and pick it up and lift it out. So the backhoe's just been really a good asset to me. As I've told you in other videos, I've got the 25D. But for a lot of jobs, it's just too small that I need it and have. And so I'm glad I picked this backhoe up. Well, guys, I just thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in to me just having fun and enjoying equipment. I hope y'all have a blessed day, a blessed evening, whatever time zone you're in. And I'll see you on another video.